Hi, in this video we'll take a quick look at the ECC product module. I begin by clicking on the Products menu and going to the My Products tab. Here I have the button at the bottom right where I can click on Get Products. ECC will begin by downloading the products from my QuickBooks Company file and downloading all the items that are in my online store. Once they're downloaded, a message is displayed that they've been successfully downloaded and a product report is now created. So let's take a look at all the different tabs and options that are available. The first tab across the top is the QuickBooks Products tab. This displays that I have 91 products in my QuickBooks Company file. I can search for certain products if I'd like to see more details. And at the bottom, I see a grid displaying the item name and number, the sales description, the item type, the quantity on hand, and price. I also have a couple of buttons that I can use. The first button is to ignore. I can choose to ignore one or more items if I'd like to exclude them from my product report and matching criteria. Also, I can use this truck icon to mark an item as a dropship item. If an item is marked as dropship, additional functionality such as purchase orders can be enabled using ECC. We won't go into that in much detail in this particular demo. Take a look at the purchase order video if you'd like more help with that. Next, we'll jump over to the Online Store Products tab. On this tab, ECC displays a list of all the items that are in my online store. On the third tab, I see Matching Products. These are the products that match between my online store and QuickBooks. The next few tabs are the Map Products tab, where currently I don't see any data because I have not mapped any items. Ignored Products, I don't see any data because I have not ignored any of the items that are in my QuickBooks or ignored any items in my online store. You'll also notice at the bottom that there's a status message displaying when was the last time I downloaded data from my online store. Let's take a quick look at some of the other options in my Products module. On the Transfer Products screen, there are three tabs. The first tab is Transfer to QuickBooks. This tab displays products that are in my online store but are not currently available in QuickBooks. And with this screen, I can go ahead and transfer my online store products into QuickBooks. We'll skip the details of this screen for now. If you'd like more details on transferring products, please refer to the Transfer Products video demo. The next screen is this Transfer to Online Store. Just like transferring products to QuickBooks, this screen displays items that are in my QuickBooks Company file but are not in my online store. I can use this screen to transfer products one at a time or in bulk from my QuickBooks up to my online store. Now, depending on the type of shopping cart you have, transferring products to the online store may not be available. Please refer to the compatibility page on our website for more details. The third tab across the top is the Map Products tab. On this screen, I can choose to map items instead of transferring them. ECC displays a list of items that are in my online store, and I can choose the corresponding item in QuickBooks that I would like to map to that particular product. We'll look at transferring products and mapping products in more detail in the Transfer Products video. Now let's take a look at the other options under the Products module. I can click on the Products menu and click on Synchronize Products. Synchronize Products screen displays products that are out of sync between my online store and QuickBooks. What we mean by out of sync is that there's a conflict or a mismatch between the price or the quantity of the items. As you'll see in this particular report, I can see that there are 5 products that are currently out of sync. In my online store, I have 0 items for this particular product, but in QuickBooks, I have 43. So all the different conflicts are displayed in red. However, the price here does seem to match up. Now, if you'd like more details on synchronizing these products, please refer to the Synchronize Products video. But as you can see, ECC is able to display a list of products that are out of sync. For a quick recap, under the Products menu, you can go to My Products to download a set of products from your online store in QuickBooks. ECC will display a report showing all the items that are in QuickBooks, your online store, and items that match. You can go to the Transfer Products menu to transfer products between your online store and QuickBooks. And you can go to the Synchronize Products screen to sync up the price and the quantity of items between your store and QuickBooks.